Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to add a location to events in Google Calendar. First of all, launch open the Google Calendar app on your mobile devices. The next thing to do is to go ahead and open up an existing event or create a new one. I'm just gonna open up one of the existing event. Tap on the event to open up this page. Click the pencil button at the top right corner, and once you get to this adjustment screen, scroll down and tap on Add Location. Go ahead and type the place. For example, I'm just gonna type in this location over here. Choose the location where you want to attend the event on. And once done, you have successfully added a location. Your event will now include a clickable location with map access. Tap on Save at the top right corner and you have done it. Now you know how to easily add a location to your events in Google Calendar, making your planning smoother and stress-free. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.